Hello, and thank you for your interest in the online and Bachelor of Arts in Organizational Leadership program here at LaSalle University. My name is Lynette Clement, and I am the program director, and I will guide you through some of the admission requirements for the Organizational Leadership program and some program information as well. So at the end of the presentation, you will have the opportunity to contact me should you have any additional questions regarding the program. So thank you for your interest in the Organizational Leadership program. So LaSalle's mission is to educate the whole person by fostering a rigorous free search for truth, by affirming the value of both liberal arts as well as professional studies. It prepares students for a lifelong pursuit and exploration of wisdom, knowledge, faith that leads to engaged and fulfilling lives. So LaSalle was founded by the Christian Brothers in 1863. So we offer courses both online as well as in person. So we also have graduate programs as well as certificate programs in addition to the undergraduate program. So the Organizational Leadership program is a fully online undergraduate program. So the Organizational Leadership program, again, is an online program that offers learners an experiential learning environment that fosters critical thinking through the application and technical and professional expertise needed to make strategic business decisions while demonstrating effective leadership skills. So students in the program are able to develop a strong online learning community and have meaningful interactions with other students as well as the online course instructors while they are pursuing their educational goals. Our faculty pride themselves on giving individual students individual attention when you are in their online classes, so they are accessible. On each course syllabus will be the contact information to reach out to the course instructors, so you are still a part of the learning community as a distant learner. So students also develop leadership skills and the confidence to recognize, plan, and implement change in the complex organizational systems within the workforce. Again, the Organizational Leadership program is 100% online. The courses are offered in a 7-week format, with the exception of some of the general education course requirements that are offered in a 15-week format in the spring and fall semesters. In the summer semesters, the general education courses usually run for about 12 weeks. However, again, the ORL courses, meaning Organizational Leadership courses, run online for 7 weeks back to back. So there's usually 2 parts of a term. So there's one course offered in term 1 and another course offered in term 2, and we offer courses in spring, summer, and fall semesters. The curriculum provides many opportunities for learners to practice the role of an organizational development consultant, recognizing, planning, implementing, and evaluating the impact of change within an organization. So students in the program are employed by Fortune 100 and 500 companies when they graduate from the program in positions such as supervisory roles, and I'll discuss a little later on some of the career options. So in 2018, the Bachelor's of Organizational Leadership program was recognized as one of the best online programs. The ORL program competencies include knowledge, skills, and attitude. So under knowledge, you learn how to understand the global perspective, team and group dynamics, organizational structure, change management, culture, and innovation, and connect them with effective organizational leadership skills. You also learn how to explain the effective leadership tools needed for survival and growth of the organization. Under the skills category, you learn how to demonstrate effective communication skills, as well as how to make better decisions, thinking critically, as well as analyzing financial reports, making assessments to the market research and business restructuring approaches, as well as implementing change in the complex organizational systems, as I stated previously. So the attitudes include you appreciate a variety of approaches for building professional relationships with clients as well as employees, and you value the role that the leaders play within the organization. On the screen you see before you is the curriculum progress chart that's starting this fall incorporating our new core curriculum for the organizational leadership program. So on the left side of the progress chart that you see before you are the general education courses that I mentioned before. So the general education courses are the courses that are usually offered for 15 weeks, and on the right side of the progress chart are the organizational leadership courses at the top right side. Those are the courses that are usually offered in a 7-week back-to-back format, and I have outlined on the screen the semesters and when those courses are offered. So the ORL courses are generally offered annually. So you also have elective requirements that are at the bottom of the progress chart. So the number of elective requirements is based upon how many courses students transfer in. So that will determine how many electives that you will have to take thereafter. So students are able to transfer in a maximum of 70 transferable credits. So again, the elective requirements will depend upon how many credits students transfer in. So it can vary by student, but the total number of credits that all organizational leadership students have to complete and able to graduate from the program is 120 total credits. So the admission requirements include an online application, which when you complete an online application through our website, lasalle.edu, it is a free online application, so there is no fee for the online application. You are required to also submit 2 letters of recommendation, which can be uploaded through the online application process, a current professional resume, which can also be uploaded during the online application process, as well as an official college transcript conferring any transfer credit work that you have already completed. So if you have transfer credit work, you want to submit your official transcripts so that we can determine what courses are transferable here to LaSalle University. So with the exception of the college transcript, most of the information can be uploaded during the online application process. If you have an official transcript that you want to mail in, on the screen before you is the mailing address on where you would send official transcripts to. So once you submit an online application, again, we accept applications in fall, summer, and spring semesters, and via our website, which is linked here on the screen. After the admission decision has been reached, which usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks after you apply, you will be contacted by your academic advisor regarding your next steps. So students are able to transfer in a maximum of 70 transferable credits. So the courses determined for transfer credit must be LaSalle equivalent courses, and students must have earned at least a C or better grade from an accredited institution for the transfer credit work to be considered here at LaSalle. So the 2018-2019 tuition and fees are outlined here on the screen you see before you. There are 120 total credit requirements for the Bachelor of Arts in Organizational Leadership program. So the tuition and fees are outlined on the screen that you see before you. So we also participate in tuition incentive programs where some employers get tuition discounts for their employees. So depending on who your employer is, you can contact our enrollment office at 215-951-1100 to find out if your employer qualifies for our tuition discount incentive program. So the online learning environment at LaSalle University is housed through what we call the My LaSalle portal. So students will be provided with a portal credential from the IT department, which will give them access to their online courses. So we currently use a program called Canvas for our online learning management system. It's where your online courses will be housed, and we also use synchronous sessions in a program called Zoom. So usually learners can expect to post to weekly discussion questions based on the weekly reading assignments, submit paper assignments, as well as participate in group work. So there could be online exams as well as case studies and final presentations done through the Zoom system. So you get a feel for what each course expectation will be, because the course instructors will outline them in the Canvas course as well as on the course syllabus. So some of the career options, as I was mentioning earlier, are organizational development specialist, lead supervisor, lead manager roles, as well as workplace and career coaching, in addition to organization and talent development managers. So students will develop the concepts and skills needed to adjust to rapidly changing organizational settings in sectors such as business, nonprofit, education, as well as the government. So the options are very broad in regards to the career options for graduates of the organizational leadership program. So after you are a student here at LaSalle, we offer you support services. The academic advisor is a support service that assists with registration and any academic concerns. The IT department helps with technical issues using Canvas or your LaSalle email. The Connolly Library provides assistance on how to conduct scholarly research. The ARC Center for Academic Achievement provides students with subject tutors as well as writing tutors and writing assistants. The Career and Employment Services department can help with resume writing, practicing good job interview skills, and provide listings of job and internship opportunities. On the screen that you see here before you are important contact information to widely used offices. My name is there, Lynette Clement, as the program director. The financial aid office is the office that you would contact if you have questions regarding how to apply for financial aid. You also have information in regards to the student and accounts receivable office, who answer questions about billing once you are a student here at LaSalle. And then the Office of Graduate Enrollment can assist you with questions if you have questions regarding the application process or transfer credit questions. Thank you again for your interest in the online organizational leadership program here at LaSalle University. Please feel free to contact our enrollment office should you have any questions, or you can contact me at the numbers here provided on your screen. So thank you again for your interest in the online organizational leadership program here at LaSalle University.